Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and in today's video here we have this brand. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it is a dipping powder set, and I believe they have other types of methods as well, but here in particular they sent over this really beautiful dip powder kit. So here I'm just going to briefly show you everything that it incorporates. Here is the instructions guides. I like how it also incorporates a Q&A along with photos, just in case you've never done this before or you just want to overview it and see the way that it's done, or that they recommend the way that you should do it. So here I'm just going to go ahead and show you little by little everything that it includes. We have a cuticle pusher, we have a 180 grit file, which is really nice. I like how it incorporates all these extra stuff. It also incorporates extra brush heads, and for those who have worked or usually work with dip powder, we all know that these are very essential and vital to have around. And then I also like how it comes with this really cute kabuki brush. That's to dust off the excess powder. Then we also have the 4 steps. We have the base coat being the first one, the second being the activator, the third being the top coat, and then the fourth being the brush saver, which they're all very essential and important to have when you are doing this particular dip powder method. So here I'm just going to briefly show you up close, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the colors as well. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. Subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and tuning in and just still supporting my channel. It means the world. I'm really appreciative of that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and incorporate some nail preparation in this tutorial. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm pushing back the cuticle. So that is what I'm going to gently do to each individual cuticle. And then we're going to move on over to the following step. So now, using the file that the kit came with, I'm going to gently file off and remove the shine off the surface of each individual nail, also making sure to roughen each nail. So next I'm just grabbing the duster brush and removing the excess dust, and now I'm going to show you the way that I love to nail prep. So the first thing is using a dehydrator, and this is my top tier primer and dehydrator. Has to be the Mia Secret one. So here I'm applying a 1 coat on camera, but I do 2. And then next we're going to use the primer, my absolute favorite, top notch, literally no lifting, no nothing, long lasting nails for sure. And I do apply 3 coats of these. I just show 1 on camera, but this is the best primer hands down for me personally. Next, we're gonna go ahead and apply some base coat onto the nails, just a very thin layer, and I'm gonna go in the UV LED light and cure it for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna move right on to our enhancement. So this is the color of choice, a 027 that I decided to go with. And by the way, if you aren't familiar with dip powder, The color that you see on the packaging is usually lighter than what the actual application of the color is. So this one was a very beautiful red, even though it looks like a pink. But anyway, so we're gonna start off with this color. That's the one that I'm gonna be using, and I am doing the Jenny G method. And this method, pretty much, I just apply the nails onto individual stands. I place the base coat on top of the full coverage nail, and then I dip it right into the container. And I just do 2 rounds since they are already shaped because they are full coverage nails. This is super easy, and anybody could do this. And then you just do some light shaping. You buff the surface of the nails, and then you go in and you apply your top coat. It's literally that simple and that easy. So I'm just going to be showing you the way it's done. Literally just do 2 coats, and that is it, and you have some beautiful set of nails. And I'm also going to show you guys a trick to remove all scratches off the nail, and also I'm going to show you a trick on how to make any nail, any press-on nail, look like they're plush and like they aren't press-on nails. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and I hope that you guys are learning something, or that I could make this method a little easier for you all, because I know a lot of people tend to say that they don't like dip powder because it's complicated or it's difficult. Me personally, I love all ways and forms of doing dip powder. Something I really enjoy doing. I like doing it with tips. I like doing it with full coverage nails. I think it's very easy for me, and I just love the way that the nails look. They look absolutely gorgeous. And last time I checked, I think I remember hearing or seeing somewhere that dip powder is actually acrylic powder, but in a different form, or maybe they add a couple different ingredients as well, but for the most part I believe it's acrylic. So the way it looks is just stunning. At the end, you guys will see. I absolutely love dip powder. Recommend it for anyone to try it out. But this particular method, I know a lot of people were saying that they had seen it in the past. Well, I hadn't seen it, which is the reason why some people started calling it the Jenny G method, or I said I'm going to refer to it as the Jenny G method. It is what it is. Like I had mentioned, I hadn't seen anybody do it before on YouTube, but refer to it as whatever floats your boat. But yeah, I just wanted to show this particular method because it's super easy, very achievable, and very beginner friendly. Anybody could achieve this type of method, and yeah, anybody can have beautiful nails at home for an affordable price. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments, and I'm gonna let you guys finish enjoying. I will let you guys now finish enjoy watching the rest of the video, but here I'm actually going in with the second step, which is the activator. This is really important because this is what is going to harden the nails and prepare them for filing and shaping. So always make sure to add, after applying whatever layers you're going to apply, always make sure to apply the activator, because that is what is going to ensure that the nails harden and are ready to file and shape. So that's just what I'm doing to all the nails. I usually apply 2 to 3 coats of the activator because I really like making sure that, you know, they're hard and ready to go. So that is what I usually do, but I only showed me doing it once on camera. And then here I'm just grabbing my file and I'm just lightly shaping, and then I'm going to be buffing the nails as well. And that's pretty much it. And then we're going to move on over to applying them onto my actual nails. And by the way, I did apply these with a nail glue. I went ahead and applied it with some KDS glue, and you guys will see the process of me doing that as well. So now I'm going to be applying some nail glue. You could apply these however you desire. So I'm applying it onto my nail plate, and then I'm grabbing the nail, but I'm not placing the nail all the way towards the cuticle. I'm leaving a gap in between the cuticle and the nail, and that space is just going to make it look so natural and plush, as if they're not press-ons, and you guys will see what I mean. So I'm just going to go in and show you what it looks like. It does not look like a press-on at all. And once I apply the top coat and the cuticle oil, you guys will see the end result. Definitely recommend you guys do this. Always leave a gap between the cuticle area and where you're going to place the nail. Leave a gap in between there, and that is what's going to create that natural looking plush look without it actually being that way, if that makes sense. So now to remove all the scratches off the nails, I'm just grabbing 100% acetone and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just literally going over each individual nail, and that will literally restore the nail and remove all of these scratches like magic. So then after we're done doing this step, I'm just gonna go right on in with my top coat of choice, and I am using the Model 1's top coat because it is my absolute favorite. So I wanted to do like a Valentine's Day inspired nail set, I'm guessing, but very simple, and also for anybody to be able to use this, like if you have to go to work or you just like using, you know, medium length nails or whatever, or you just don't really like all the drama of so much things on the nail. I thought this was very beautiful and simple. And yeah, so here I am just gonna go ahead and add these 2 gold hearts. They are some stickers. I think I purchased this through like Shein or something. Honestly I don't remember, but yeah, this is what they look like. Thought that looked really nice. And then we're just gonna go on over and apply some top coat. And by the way, guys, I did recently purchase a new nail art from Couture, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys. And just aesthetically, I'm super excited to incorporate it into my setup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now we're just gonna go on over and apply some cuticle oil, and then I'm just gonna show you some clips of me showing you the nails up close. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much once again for watching and tuning in. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.